Welcome to Sew Very Easy. My name is Laura, and I love my state-of-the-art Bernina sewing machine, but I also love my little featherweight machine. I love sitting down at this little machine. It has such a sweet little sound, and it just purrs when it sews. And it does a beautiful little straight stitch. Now, having these machines are a lot of fun, but did you know that you can maintain them yourself? It is a mechanical machine, which means there's nothing computerized, so we have nothing to fear about when we need to repair these machines. But what we do need to know is how to repair them and how to maintain them. So the Featherweight shop has come out with a book that's going to give us everything that we need to know to repair our little featherweights and to maintain them. So this is a complete do-it-yourself service guide. The book is waterproof and it is also oil resistant. And even though I'm calling this a book, well, it's more than just a book. Let me show you what I mean. So this do-it-yourself book is a stand-up book. So I'm going to be able to open that up and have it stand up. Because this stands up, I'm going to be able to follow along. I'm going to be able to get the tools that I need, prepare everything I need, and start to go step by step on all the things that I need to work on this machine. So having these pages waterproof and oil resistant means this is going to stay nice and clean. There's also an added bonus. You're going to notice some QR codes throughout this book. That QR code will often lead to a video. So we're going to have that video plus a book to follow along. So the whole book is on maintaining our featherweight and cleaning our featherweight. And the fun thing with this book is in the back, we have a guide for oiling. So we're going to be able to pull that out, oil, and put it back. And then turn the book around, and it's going to continue flipping in the next direction. So it is a two-sided, all-you-can-do book. And there's definitely a lot of beautiful up-close pictures, so they're going to be able to guide us to taking care of these machines. And when we're finished that section, flip it over, and we get to start again. This is definitely a well-constructed book. It's going to last us for years. It gives us all of the information we're going to need on really just about anything. Whatever question you have about this machine, this definitely covers it. So this stand-up book is going to give us everything that we need to know about our little featherweights. We have maintenance, we have troubleshooting, we have cleaning, we have maintenance. It stands up, so we're going to be able to look at it at the same angle, and when we're done, it goes on the shelf just like a regular book. And that stand-up book has a beautiful vintage look. So I'm going to be following along and giving my little featherweight a nice little spa treatment. So if you have a featherweight or you know someone that has a featherweight, this is definitely a great companion to go with it. It gives us everything we need to do to maintain our beautiful little featherweight. I'll put a link in the description to the manual and also to the site. There's lots of things that you can go to that site and see. There's workshops and there's supplies for our featherweight. Well, just about everything that you can think of. Thank you for joining me today on Sew Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe. I'm on Facebook, Instagram. I do have a newsletter. It's free under Sew Very Easy. Thanks again for joining me, and I hope you check it out. Bye for now.